Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm excited. I've had this program for a couple weeks, and I've been using their Flex It and Box It. Well, I've been using Box It for about 8 or 9 years, but I just recently got Name It and Number It. I've just made a couple of videos on Number It, and I'm going to like this a lot. I've never been able to, inside of Corel Draw, you can do this. My mentor, Roy Brewer from Engraving Concepts, has some many videos about it. I just never could figure out print merge. It was a lot of complicated. You needed, I don't know what it is, but I just took a name tag and I took the name and I made it center justified. This is just a simple with one name. Control D and make a duplicate of it. We're going to make 15 name badges in just a few seconds here. I'm going to change the other nudge factor to 1. So what I'm doing, I'm making my name badges, and they don't have to be touching or anything. I'm just doing it that way. Control D, and I'm going to move them down. So I've got 15 name badges. I created a file on my other computer that has Lotus123, but I saved it as an SVG file, I believe is what it is. And I have first name for the first name of the person, but I've got name here written. So then all you do is go to the ABC in this Name It. I loaded the file. See, it's a CSV file. It has a header. And I've seriously just started this like 10 minutes ago. And you can do a test here and you can see if they're working, and you can see the names changing on the preview. But my target is name, which is that. And my replacement is the selection of the first column, which is that. I'm going to hit go, and in 1 second, it put the names of those people in the center because I had it center justified on all those name badges instead of typing it out. So when a customer gives you a list in Excel or 123 even, I still use 123, and it is have them convert it to an S or CSV file. You could load it up and you could do hundreds of names. And I'm going to do a couple more videos. I'm going to be busy for the next couple of days, but I can't wait to do more than just a single name. There's a lot more you can do with this program, but I'm just learning it tonight. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.